Stick close and breathe.
Easy for you to say.
Trust me, it wasn't easy at first.
This is your first public appearance together. It's tonight the day.
Lila, how does it feel dating the city's most eligible bachelor?
Breathe. Ignore everything else.
They're staring. Why are they staring? Is something wrong with my dress?
You might feel insane. No one will question you.
Mr. Bond, does this mean that the family are back?
Lila!
Does this mean that the family are back?
Lila!
Have we met before?
Why do you ask?
You seem familiar. You have been to Starlight Homes before. We must have met there.
No. Trust me, if I'd met someone this loud before, I probably would have remembered.
Excuse me? If I'd met you before, I would have remembered too. Prick. Why are you laughing?
Well, if it isn't my former fiancé and his charity case.
She's my guest tonight, Helen.
I'm joking. What, no warm welcome? We haven't seen each other for 5 years.
We were never that close.
Ouch. You've gotten meaner. Do you remember high school? Everyone used to call you the bastard son. I was the only one shutting them up.
Thanks for reminding me.
But don't get me wrong, I mean, your background's messy. But men like your father, they do have plenty of affairs. Your mother being a nurse is not exactly shocking. Oh, you didn't know. Henry wasn't even raised in the Vaughn mansion at first. There was a time that he was kicked out.
That's enough, Helen. Why are you here?
I'm just curious. I wanted to see what's really going on between you two lovebirds.
And? What do you see?
Exactly what I assumed. A fake engagement.